Welcome to the top picks. The best newborn baby book is probably one of the most cherished keepsakes a new parent can acquire, offering a beautiful and tangible way to document those fleeting first moments of their little one's life, from tiny fingers and toes to first smiles and milestones, creating a treasured album that will be revisited and loved for generations to come. Number 5. TEYTOY My First Soft Book, Pack of 6. Discover a variety of textures with this soft book. It's a fun way to learn about different things through touch and stimulate early memory development. Worry-free reading time. This cloth book is made with non-toxic materials and strong stitching, making it completely safe and washable for your little one. Keep your child captivated with vibrant images and fun characters. Packed with educational activities, it provides endless hours of enjoyment for infants and toddlers. Share a special moment by reading this soft book together. It's a wonderful early development toy that helps stimulate key skills like language, imagination, and sensory development. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our customer service team for assistance. What we like. This book offers a wide range of themes to explore, from animals to vehicles, ensuring your little one never runs out of new things to discover. Its safe, non-toxic, and washable fabric makes it perfect for curious babies who love to explore with their mouths. If you are looking for a book that provides endless learning opportunities and peace of mind for parents, this is the one for you. What people say. The book is made of soft, durable fabric that is safe for babies to chew on. It features bright, contrasting colors and patterns that stimulate visual development. The crinkly pages and textured elements provide tactile stimulation and encourage exploration. Number 4. Baby Hand and Footprint Kit, Fresh White. Preserve the tiny details of your baby's hands and feet forever. This kit makes it easy to create a lasting keepsake. Our soft clay is simple to mold, allowing you to capture a perfect imprint without any mess. It's a beautiful way to remember this special time. This frame is designed to beautifully display your baby's handprint or footprint. It's a heartwarming addition to any nursery decor. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a baby shower or registry? This personalized keepsake is a unique and memorable present for any new mom. The clean, fresh white finish complements any nursery style. It's a timeless piece that celebrates the arrival of your little one. With this kit, you can create a truly personalized piece of art. It's a wonderful way to celebrate your baby's growth and your journey as parents. What we like. This kit allows you to create a beautiful, lasting keepsake of your baby's tiny hands and feet without any mess. It's designed to be a personalized memento that you can cherish for years to come. If you want to capture those precious early moments in a tangible and artistic way, this is an ideal choice for a new mom gift. What people say. The book is made of soft, durable fabric that is safe for babies to chew on. It features high-contrast black and white images that are stimulating for newborns. The crinkle pages and textured elements provide sensory engagement for little ones. Number 3. Lamaze Peekaboo Forest Soft Baby Book. Welcome to the Peekaboo Forest, a delightful soft baby book designed for little explorers. It's perfect for sensory play and early learning. With crinkling fabric pages, this book offers a rich sensory experience. It's designed to stimulate your baby's senses and encourage exploration. This toy is not only fun but also serves as a teething aid. It helps babies develop fine motor skills and cognitive abilities through interactive play. Featuring a convenient clip, you can easily attach it to strollers or car seats. It's perfect for entertainment on the go, ensuring your baby is always engaged. Made from washable fabric, keeping it clean is simple. This durable book is built to withstand the rigors of baby play and is safe for your little one. Designed for babies 6 months and up, it's ideal for developing hands. They can easily grasp, squeeze, and explore its textures and features. What we like. This soft book is designed to engage your baby's senses with its crinkling pages and textures, providing hours of interactive fun. It also features a built-in teether for soothing sore gums. If you're looking for a toy that promotes sensory exploration and is perfect for babies aged 6 months and up, this is a great option. What people say. The book is made of soft, durable fabric that is safe for babies to chew on. It features high-contrast black and white images that are stimulating for newborns. The crinkle pages and textured surfaces provide sensory exploration for little ones. Number 2. Pearhead First 5 Years Chevron Baby Memory Book. Document every stage from pregnancy through your child's 5th birthday. This book is designed to capture milestones, memories, and everyday moments in one timeless keepsake. Includes a clean touch ink pad that captures tiny hands or feet without ink touching baby's skin. It ensures a safe and stress-free experience for you and your little one. Features guided sections for pregnancy, baby shower, delivery, and monthly milestones. You won't have to guess what to record, making memory keeping easy. There's space throughout for photos, plus a front cover insert for your favorite image. You can personalize it from day one with cherished pictures. Finished in a stylish gray chevron design, this baby book makes a meaningful gift. It's a perfect baby shower gift, registry essential, or pregnancy keepsake. What we like. This comprehensive memory book is designed to capture every moment from pregnancy through your child's 5th birthday, with guided prompts to make memory keeping effortless. It includes a mess-free ink pad for handprints and footprints. If you want a structured and beautiful way to document your child's entire early childhood, this is the perfect keepsake. What people say. The book is made of soft fabric, making it safe for babies to chew on. It features bright, contrasting colors and different textures to stimulate baby's senses. The crinkly pages and squeaker inside provide auditory stimulation. Number 1. TEYTOY's Tummy Time Baby Mirror Soft Book. Introducing a soft and engaging toy designed to make tummy time enjoyable. It's perfect for your little one's early development and sensory exploration. This delightful soft book features a baby-safe mirror that captures your baby's attention. It encourages self-discovery and visual tracking during playtime. It also includes a teether to soothe sore gums, making it a multifunctional companion for your baby. This toy is designed for babies from birth up to 6 months. With high contrast patterns, it's ideal for newborns to stimulate their developing vision. This toy is perfect for sensory play and cognitive growth. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This toy is suitable for boys and girls aged 0 to 3 years, making it a wonderful present for baby showers or birthdays. Whether at home or on the go, this soft book provides entertainment and developmental benefits. It's a great addition to your baby's toy collection. What we like. This soft book is an excellent tool for tummy time, featuring a baby-safe mirror and high-contrast patterns to capture your newborn's attention. It's designed to encourage sensory development during those crucial early months. If you are looking for an engaging toy to make tummy time more enjoyable and beneficial for your baby, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The book is made of soft fabric, making it safe for babies to chew on. It features vibrant colors and different textures that stimulate a baby's senses. The pages are designed to be easily turned by little hands, promoting early motor skill development. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.